Hi there. Today is a quick little 10-minute session in case you're short on time, but you still want to get your Pilates practice in. So we're going to be moving and grooving. This is not really for the beginner, but you're welcome to give it a try. You know your body best. My name's Gretchen. I'm founder of Balance to the Core. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button so you're part of the community because we'd love to have you. All right, let's get started. Sitting up nice and tall with your legs together, just take a giant inhale. Exhale, set. And then on your next inhale, we're just going to roll it back. Inhale here. Arms go straight. Exhale as you dive. Elbows go wide. Maybe go a little bit lower. Slide your hands down your thighs. And exhale. Your heels stay down. One more time. Inhale. Maybe to your low back if you're okay with that. And exhale, dive up and over. And then we roll it all the way down through the spine. Bring your legs a little bit closer to you. Take an inhale. Breathe into your upper back. Exhale as we hover those toes right over the mat. And take an inhale. Walk those feet a little further down. Exhale, lift. Make sure the low back's not lifting. Nothing's pooching up. One more time. Walk away. And exhale, lift it up. Stay right here as we draw those arms up, really holding stability and tapping your toes. Tap, tap. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Go back to center. Reach those arms behind you. Stay stable. Good. And then drop those legs down, taking your arms down by the sides. Bring your knees over to one side. Make sure they're staying sealed together so the hip lifts. We come back to center and take it over. Hip lifts. Your shoulders stay stable down on the mat. And you're just sort of rocking on your toes. One more each side, feeling that twist. Good. Try to keep those knees sealed together. And come to center. Undo those legs a little bit. Roll the pelvis up on an inhale. Exhale it down. 2 more times. Inhale it up. And exhale it down right to the shelf of the shoulders. 1 more. And exhale. And if you're unsure of your bridges, check out that video right there in the corner. And stretch those legs nice and long. Stretch your arms back behind you. Squeeze the heels. Press those heels down. On your exhale, flex your body up. And let's go into our 100. Inhale. And exhale. 2, 3, 4, 5. In. And out. 2, 3, 4, 5. In. 2, 3, 4, 5. And out. 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep breathing. Make sure you're not tucking the pelvis, okay? Really anchor it into that neutral and flex up from there without tucking. Super important, okay? Squeeze their heels together. Squeeze your heels down. Anchor the hamstrings. Just notice, is that pubic bone coming towards you? Press it down. Maybe a little bit more rigorous pumping if you're okay with that. And you should feel that body warming. Push that butt down, reach it forward. And then send those arms back behind you. Inhale, press those arms up. And then start to lift. Don't tuck that pelvis. Reach your body up and over those legs. And roll it back. 2 more times. One more. And as we go back, our legs are going to come back and over. Open the legs, flex the feet, roll it down. And then keeping those legs apart, come up and over. Anchor the tops of those legs. And if you're unsure of your rollover, just check out that video in the corner there where I go over the rollover. And then press your left leg down, right leg up, circle it 3 times. And we're really anchoring that bottom leg. And circle the other way. And switch those legs. 3. Circle the other way. And hug the knees in. Come on. Hug yourself in. Scoop that belly. 3 rolls for 3, 2, 1 more. And then go down right to the shoulder blades. Hug it in. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. 1 more set. Good. Right into double leg stretch. Reach it. Strong arms wrap around as we pull it in. Keep that chest up. And hug it in one more time. And roll yourself up, spine stretch forward. Inhale here. Exhale as you dive it. And up. 2 more times. And arms out to the side, rotate and dive it for your saw. 3, 2, 1. Come up into that twist. Other way, anchor those hips. 3, 2, 1. Really try to anchor the legs, hamstrings, and heels. And as you come up, stay tall in that twist. 1 more each side. Stretch those arms away from each other. Come on up and turn it. Lie down, hands right by your sides. Anchor those heels together, pubic bone down. Inhale, reach that chest forward and lower it down. Pubic bone stays anchored. Stretch and down. 1 more time. Anchor those feet. And then just go down to your hover, lifting the arms up, stretching them forward, and circling them around. And we dive. Inhale, open. Exhale, dive. 1 more time. And dive. Bringing the arms back to center. Sit yourself back. Get a nice little stretch here. Take it over to your side, hand on the head, legs to the front corner of your mat. Lift it up, anchor that bottom leg. Kick it 1, 2, pull back 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. Good. And now up and down. Inhale, flex down for 2 and 1. Beautiful. Come on up onto your hip. Hand is a little bit further than your shoulder. Inhale, stretch it up and over. Squeeze those hips up and lower down. 2 more times. Inhale. Exhale last time. Stretch up and over. Drop your head and then find your plank here. Hold right here. Right leg up and down. Left and right and left. Right. 1 more time. Good. Other side. I'm going to actually shimmy here. Front corner of your mat. Lift that leg up. Pull, pull. Back, back. Are you anchoring the bottom leg and you're keeping your spine long? Stretch out of the neck. Up, down. Inhale, flex down. 2, 1. Good. Come on up. Cross those ankles. This arm is further than your shoulder, so when you come up, it lines up. Look down, lift the hips, bring it down. Really lift the pelvis up. Squeeze your thighs together 1 more time. Inhale. Good. Come on down. Stretch the legs long, fingertips to the side or towards you as you lift up. Looking at those toes, stretching out of your shoulders. Keep pushing that floor away and press back up. And down and up. 1 more time, down and up. Good. Bring it on down. Stretch the legs, arms up. Stretch it forward. Roll it up through the spine. Turn it. And we roll it up. Inhale, lift those arms up. Exhale, dive it towards your toes. Walk out. Find a push-up position and 3 push-up. 3, 2, 1. Lift those hips up. Press it back. Roll it up through the spine. Take your hands behind your head. Head in the hands, hands into the head. Inhale up. Exhale down. Now keep squeezing the heels. Find your seat. This time lift up, hold it. Stay tall as we bend our knees down. Now keep your body exactly where it is. Just lower the heels down and straighten. Lift the heels, bend. Push those heels down and straighten. So as those heels go down, you're staying tall. Grow taller, taller, taller. Now let's reverse it. Bend the knees. Lift the heels, zip it up. Bend the knees. Stay that height as you just draw those heels up. Now zip up from the center. 1 more time. Good. Release those arms down. Take an inhale. Exhale, chin to chest and dive it down. Roll it down all the way. Keep your hips over your heels. And then we're going to roll it back up like a rag doll. Really let the head, neck, and shoulders go. And find your center. Good job. You did it. 10 minutes is all we had. So I hope you feel good. If you want to work out even more with me, come check out my members club. Your first week is free. We also do Zoom classes so we can chat and see each other, which is super fun too. We have an awesome community. So would love to have you check it out. More information below. Thanks so much for being here with me today. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you next time on the mat. Take care.